platform that is upcoming very soon. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about a new exchange, Seagull Exchange. This is having some unique features where you can grab the next 1000x potential Seagull X that has better investment plan. If you want to join, you have to get all this link in my video description. This is a best solution in this situation that crypto market is going to challenging. So deflation is value. We have to come on the advanced technologies where sport, copy, real world asset, all these should be in futuristic strategies with a million trillion of fund. Now, this is a best investment opportunities that has been found in 2025 and the main headquarter is in Samoa. Seagull Exchange can legally operate digital currency and business. Yes, there is everything working transparent and working for the prosperity of investor who will come onto this exchange platform. Yes, there is also a complete legal detail by someone law. Mean this is now working with a complete license document. Seagull Exchange is now working all over the global level with $1.2 trillion will exceed as global market situation it is. Means there are $1.2 trillion within cryptocurrency and major coin that we can see here, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is about the global situation. We have to come on the Seagull Exchange where you can find there are micro and macro strategies with unlimited solutions. Yes, there is a huge potential. If you want to buy their token or you want to join start copy trade, there are many investor and copy professional traders who will give you signals, who will give you predicted values where you can start investing and you can make profit. There are features that can attract you to work on such a big platform. Yes, there are low fees, there is a high liquidity, and with a high performance, everything is working transparently. Where I will also invite you to come join, and there will be something new, innovative on it. So you just come. There is experience, a user experience, and innovative feature are here. So be ready, and there you can also find the transparent benefits too. If you come, you can join. You will get some new best profit strategies. And there is SGEX that as core business feature. The first one is about coping trading, like trading, copy trading, asset management, because this is also having some innovation in their official, like a real world asset. There are low fees near about to 0.1% and high liquidity more than 0.5. You can get a complete innovation in this project because the score when you will join this, the income performance will be high. You can grab a next level systematic mean there is systematic a best opportunity that you can grab, and there are different scenarios that has more profit. The first one value about asset management. There are near about 15,000 asset. Mean there is 20 plus mainstream public chain assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. When you will click, automatically it is going to be optimized. You can participate in their DeFi, mean decentralized finance, where you can get some more operation like staking to earn. There is play to earn. There is copy to earn. There you can get something innovative in this platform because this is working decentralized. That's why there are more best risk management team. They have multi-year working experience as well as they are really capable and open the ecosystem. There is also Seagull Exchange on the chain credit scoring, where you can enjoy lower fees but high profit. All these physical assets are working in real world assets you can start and you can be a next member who will enjoy the gameplay, and there is ultimate solution for the rigid demand, and there are profit sharing, there are credit system and on the chain option. Market value is year and local with low circulation rate is year. Be ready, join it now for the global rate and for the best profit to you. So I must say you have to join. There are three forces superposition where you can find more product and more details on it. So be ready, join it now. If you have any question, you can ask in our comment box, as well as there is also on the social media link where you will find something new innovative. You have to